It's too bright. Let me fix this first. Alright, good afternoon from Sydney, Australia. It's 6:08 here already in Sydney, but in the Philippines the market is still open as promised. Here's another edition of our market update. Normally I do the market updates when the market is closed na, no? But now we are in our last I guess 30 in the last 20 minutes of trading, but since it's almost evening here, it's almost dinner time here in Sydney, I opted to do it on earlier time frame. So good evening to all of you, good afternoon to those that are in Asia, in the Philippines, Singapore, for people following me in Europe and in the US, good morning to you guys. It's always an honor to be part of your journey towards financial freedom. Shell Gagutan from Sweden, good. What time is it there? Is it morning? So I hope this helps you in your trades in the market. What's interesting over the past few days is the market has been really just swinging up and down, hovering between the 8.5 levels as well. So that's what we'll talk about. That's what this Facebook post will center on over the next few minutes, and we'll talk some select stocks as well. I'll try to do stocks by request also later on, because I just really need to go back to a certain point later before this happens. So just to greet those who are joining us, Aliezer Antipuesto, good afternoon to you. Gian Sikat, good day to you as well. Ralph, who's a registered nurse, good afternoon. Pinky Season C, good afternoon. Shell Gagutan from Sweden, good morning. John Casas, good day to you. Shell Balita from Dubai, good morning to people from Dubai. Ralph Delgado from Korea, good afternoon. Sir Rabanes, sir, magkano po itataas ng MBT? I have 120 shares po. Ibinenta ko sana siya. Nabili ko siya ng 91.95. Ako lang ba target price na 97 sa kanya. John Erubi, hey Jerry Yukong, good day from Bataan. Fe Elorta watching from Rome. Wow, we're well represented, no? Different Filipinos from different parts of the country, so different parts of the world actually, and it's nice to see that this movement towards financial freedom is actually growing, and I'm glad that stock investing is just really hitting different parts of the world and hitting Filipinos from different areas as well. So looking at the PSEi as of this point in time, no, the market. Let me just pull up my website. By the way, I'm here in Sydney because we're having Stock Smarts Australia this Saturday and Sunday here also in downtown Sydney. So for those who are interested to join us, I'm looking forward to meet you and looking forward to see you guys this weekend. So the market in the last 18 minutes of trading is down at 8,506. Value turnover is 5.96 billion. It's down 0.18%. What's interesting now, no, compared to where we were this morning, was the PSEi was below 8,500, and you have to understand this 8,500 is still something very, very significant that we need to watch out for. And over the past few days, you're seeing a lot of volatility, us moving up and down from the 8,500 level. So it's worth noting that as long as 8,500 will hold, I'm still pretty much into my target that if 8.5 holds and we significantly stay above 8.5, you have to understand also the context that over the past few days we've been staying above 8.5 more often than we have done in the past. So as long as we stay above 8.5, 8.8 is pretty much in sight. What we're seeing also is the market yesterday dropped below 8.5, but it suddenly started to rebound above 8.5. So that's something very promising. That's something very interesting to watch. So as long as 8.5 will hold, we now have that particular support level. So I know a lot of you have been watching the Pure Food story, the San Miguel story, and the GSMI story, and how it impacts particular stocks. So we're gonna do Pure Foods as well for this stock session. This is not yet our stocks by request, because we will do more stocks by request sessions over the next few days, or probably I can do it later, but I just wanted to highlight a lot of the stocks that have been requested also over the past days. Number one is Mac. If there's one keyword I'd like to leave to you with Mac is the keyword progressing from the breakout. Again, Mac is still progressing from its breakout. So let me just pull up the current chart of Mac and its current price, because you have to understand market's still moving. The market's still moving right now. No, Mac is still progressing from the breakout of 19.8 pesos per share. So whatever movement you're seeing now from Mac, it's because of the breakout from 19.8 pesos per share. I repeat, whatever movement you're seeing from Mac, it's because of the breakout of the 19.8 pesos per share movement. So as long as 19.8 pesos will hold, pretty much there's no sell signal for quick traders as well, because you can still see that the stock will still progress in its breakout. So quick traders, watch out for 19.8. 19.8 will hold. It's relatively still a hold for you. For position traders, the uptrend is still pretty much intact. Short, mid, and long-term investors, no sell signal for you guys. So quick traders, position traders, based on Mac's movement today. Mac, by the way, is already at 23.75 pesos per share. The stock is up 13.1. So quick traders, position traders, based on today's movement, no sell signal yet. Hold your positions. Let's maximize your trades. All right, next. The next stock that I want to discuss is Metro Bank. Metro Bank is currently at the resistance. I repeat, Metro Bank is currently at the resistance. So there's something that's worth watching. Metro Bank is at nakakasilo naman to. Metro Bank is at 96 pesos per share. So at 96 pesos per share, it's exactly at the resistance point already of Metro Bank. So why am I saying this? Tomorrow, should it fail to stay above 96 pesos per share, it may be a sell signal already for you. I repeat, if Metro Bank fails to break out of 96, it's already a sell signal for you guys. Metro Bank, if you've been watching and tracking the stock, has broke out from an 89.3 resistance level over the past few days, and that's what's causing the upward movement that you see in the stock. So based on that upward movement, quick traders who bought from the breakout of 89.3, if it fails to break out from 96, Metro Bank, quick traders may now take profits. For position traders, stock is still pretty much in a bullish movement upward, so you don't have any sell signal yet for Metro Bank on a position trading perspective. So quick trading, failure to break 96, take profits. Position trading, as long as the trend still pretty much is holding, MACD and moving averages are still showing you a more bullish undertone, so we don't have any sell signal yet for Metro Bank. So for those who are joining us just now, we're in Sydney. Stocks by request will be probably later tonight or tomorrow, depending on schedule and internet connection. Because I'm just using a different connection here, so I'm not in my normal globe connection. So we've discussed the PSEi, we've discussed Mac, and we've discussed Metro Bank. I want to discuss three more stocks. Number one is Pure Foods. Number three is Pure Foods. Again, Pure Foods is still pretty much news driven. The stock is currently at, let me check, 505 pesos per share. It's up 10.99 pesos per share. If you own the stock and you're positioned into it, we don't have any sell signal yet for the stock. I repeat, if you're into the stock and you're still positioned into it, no sell signal yet. Wait, I like to show this to you guys. Dinapuan ako ng ibon sa tapat ko. Dinapuan ako ng ibon, so I thought it was attack me, but hindi naman pala. So everything is good and well as of this point. There's so much birds here, so I thought that bird would attack me. Anyways, so for PF, if you're positioned in the stock, you've bought at the breakout, you bought because of the news, pretty much there's still movement upward, so no sell signal yet for the stocks. But here's the thing. If you're just gonna buy, you know my strategy. I don't want to chase stock prices. So please don't chase stock prices. Please don't chase Pure Foods just for the sake of you trying to get the gain. You don't have to chase stock prices. Please don't. The best way to lose money is chasing stock prices that are already up. The goal is still to buy at the breakout. The goal is still to buy when stocks would bounce from certain support levels. But the difference between mean this is, if you're positioned in the stock already, you have the buffer that you can still hold on to it. But if you are just about to buy, please don't. Be prudent and try to find other stocks that are still worth looking into over the short term. So that's it for Pure Foods. Next is IMI. One keyword that I'd like to note for IMI is IMI has broken out. The movement that you're seeing now, IMI is up 10.18%. It's 21 pesos per share. One of the significant things that you must remember, it's just progressing from the breakout. So again, a stock that's breaking out will continue to progress higher. There was a very, very strong resistance at 20.4. So I repeat, for those who have IMI, there was a very, 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 very strong resistance at 20.4. It was something that it hasn't broke out from over the past few weeks. So the breakout from that would probably lead the stock to around 24 to 25 pesos per share. Using for those who attended our stock support sessions, please use our specific topic on candlestick patterns and chart patterns. You can use the breakouts. You can use the techniques that we've learned there when stocks would break out into new highs and there's no resistance yet. But here's the thing, IMI still, for position traders, it's still pretty much on a long to mid-term uptrend. So position traders, you don't have a sell signal yet. The stock is still pretty much doing well. It's in a steep uptrend though, but as long as parameters are still telling you that the stock is still bullish, then there's no need to sell the stock. So IMI broke out of 20.4. It's currently at 21. As long as it stays above 20.4, the breakout will still pretty much hold. So again, quick traders, please watch 20.4. If the stock stays above 20.4, a play to 24 to 25 from that breakout is pretty much possible. For position traders, the stock's bullish. Hold on to your positions. We don't have any sell signal yet. And lastly, allow me to talk about SM Prime. So SM Prime is up today at 37.55. It's up 1.08%. The new resistance that I'm pegging now is around 38 pesos per share. It's something that it hasn't broken yet. It's something that it must break for it to successfully move upward again. But from where we are now, 31, 35, move 35 to around 39 is the next move. Should it break out of 38 pesos per share? You have to understand that SM Prime has relatively had a very, very good run up already over the past few weeks now, and stocks that have run up for quite a significant time may need some breathing room as well. So yeah, that's it for now. Do you guys have any questions? Anything? For those who have stocks by request, please comment it below, and then we'll do it on our specific stocks by request session. But if you have any other questions relating to stocks, please comment it. I'll be glad to answer it and create another video for all of that as well. So for those joining as well, this will be in YouTube and in marvingurmo.com. Let me greet some of you guys. Joel Gonzaga from Kuwait, Wilberto Bebayo asking for now, Arman Balbuena asking for GSMI, Wilbert Bebayos from Dubai, Benji Soriano asking for SM Prime, Russ Napen asking for DD from Doha. Russ, I'll be there next week sa Doha. After this, I'll be flying to another time zone, 5-hour difference. I'll be in Doha, Qatar. I hope to see you there. Simeon Hernandez from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Tristan Bagain from Mapua, Brian De La Peña from Tayuman. Good afternoon to all of you guys. I hope these videos are helping you, because at the end of the day, wherever you are, it's not about what city you're from, but it's about living your life, achieving your dreams, and hitting your goals of financial freedom. You have to remember this. For those who have missed out, for those who have not made money in this upward movement, it's okay. There will be more opportunities soon. There will be more. You have to understand, markets move in cycles, markets move in trends. If you missed out on a certain run, there will be another run soon. There will be another run next time. You don't have to chase prices that are up. You don't have to buy stocks that are expensive. What you need to do is shore up with cash that you come back again when certain stocks would retrace, when certain stocks would become cheaper, and when certain stocks would hit those support levels, and that's when you start to come in. That's when you start to buy. That's where you start to add to your positions as well. It's all about strategy. It's all about the discipline. It's all about not listening to your emotions. For those who are relatively new into stocks, so I know how it feels that when your emotion is tugging you to go a certain direction, when your emotion is tugging you, pushing you to to buy a stock and chase it when it's not worth chasing. You have to control that. That's why you need technicals. That's why you need fundamentals in order to be a parameter for you to buy and sell the stock. Hello. Hello. So, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. He left. Okay. Someone said hello. So there. I was trying to say some stuff, but some Chinese girl said hello. So that's it. God bless you all, and more videos soon. I'm gonna create a new series of videos again, aimed to just equip you more from technicals and fundamental analysis, because I really believe that's one of the best ways for you to trade the markets with ease and confidence. So this is Marvin Gurmo, live from Sydney, Australia. It's time to trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again later.